Today we're going to prepare pasta alla bolognese. The Victoria Cookware Dutch oven is perfect for this purpose as it needs to be cooked in a slow yet steady way. We start by preheating the cookware at a medium-low temperature. Let's sprinkle some water, and that seasoning means that it's ready to cook. Now we add oil, and after a bit, a mix of onions, celery and carrots. After a couple of minutes, when the onions change its color, we add our grinded Wagyu beef and then white wine and wait a few minutes until the alcohol evaporates. It's time to add my grandmother's secret, a glass of milk and the Parmesan crust, which will make it extra cheesy. I recommend using peeled tomatoes, but you can use your choice of red sauce. This recipe needs a tight lid capable of retaining the moist and the heat, and this is something that the Victoria Dutch oven does at the perfection. Finally, let it cook. 30 minutes with the lid on, 30 minutes with the lid partially open, and 20 minutes with the lid completely open, just to make it reduce. I use the 7-quart Dutch oven, which means that I can save some for later. So now our sauce is officially ready. We got our pasta on our side. You can use whatever pasta you like. Now we can mix it up and enjoy a delicious dish of pasta.